Have you ever wondered why fire trucks are almost always red? It's not just for looks. The color hides a fascinating mix of science, history, and even human psychology. Today, we're diving deep into the burning truth behind the world's most famous emergency, vehicle color. When you picture a fire truck, one image instantly comes to mind: a massive vehicle, lights flashing, sirens blaring, and painted in that bright, unmistakable shade of red. But why red? Was it just a random choice? Or is there a story hiding behind the paint? The answer takes us back to the early 1900s, when fire brigades were more of a community pride than a government service. Back then, many fire departments were volunteer-based, and each wanted their trucks to stand out. Red was considered the most expensive paint at the time, so choosing it was a way to show pride, status, and dedication. A fire truck in red wasn't just a vehicle, and it was a statement. But history isn't the only reason. Human psychology plays a huge role. Red is one of the most visible colors to the human eye, especially in daylight. It naturally grabs attention, increases heart rate, and signals urgency. That's why it's used for stop signs, warning lights, and yes, fire trucks. In emergencies, seconds matter, and red makes sure you notice. Interestingly, there's also a science twist. During the day, red stands out against green landscapes, gray roads, and blue skies. But here's the plot twist. At night, red isn't actually the most visible color. Studies have shown that lime yellow or neon green can be spotted faster under low light. In fact, some modern fire departments have switched to these colors for safety reasons. So why hasn't red disappeared completely? Tradition. The color has become part of fire service identity. It's iconic, symbolic, and instantly recognizable. For many communities, a fire truck that's not red just doesn't feel like a fire truck. Even Hollywood played a role in cementing the color in our minds. In movies and TV shows, red fire trucks became the standard image, reinforcing the idea in pop culture. So, while science may suggest other colors could be more visible at night, red remains the king of firefighting vehicles, a blend of history, emotion, and cultural influence. From prestige in the 1900s to psychology-backed, attention-grabbing science, the red fire truck is more than just paint. It's a tradition that roars down the street, sirens blaring, carrying both life-saving tools and over a century of history in every coat. So the next time you see a red fire truck racing by, you'll know it's more than just a pretty color. It's history, science, and tradition in motion. Which color do you think future fire trucks should be? Red or something brighter? Let me know in the comments.